Kellar Lawrence here, and I wanted to say happy Valentine's Day month. And all of us here at our real estate company hope that your year is off to a great start. I just put the finishing touches on this month's Homeward Bound Real Estate newsletter, and you can read all about it here below. And in this month's issue, we discuss love as a verb and thank St. Valentine for drawing attention to this very important issue. I also offer you and those you know an exclusive guarantee and much more in this Homeward Bound Real Estate newsletter. And while I got your attention, our Go Serve Big mission is to raise $25,000 for Greenwood Area Habitat for Humanity, which is a nonprofit organization that helps families build and improve the places that they call home. They believe affordable housing plays a critical role in strong and stable communities. So your referrals really do help families in the area. Who do you know that might be considering buying or selling a home that you could refer to my real estate sales team? Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, you can rest assured that we are donating to a very worthy cause as well. And I wanted to make it easy for you to refer your friends, neighbors, associates, or family members that might be considering making a move. You can go to klreferralrewards.com, enter their contact info, or forward the link to someone that you might know considering moving. And of course, you can always call or text me directly at 864-942-8991. Thank you so much and have a great month.